Hi, today I'm working with the root vegetable, and this is called Salsify. When you buy it from the farmer's market or in the grocery store, it has quite a thick coating of dirt on the outside of it because it's a root vegetable. So that has to be really scrubbed off under some cold water. But even when you scrub it, the skin is still very black. So I have my knife here. I'm just going to take the tip and the top off. And as you can see, it's white inside. If I were to leave this on my cutting board, then it would have like a white kind of a milk on here. This has a crunch kind of like a parsnip or a potato. It's been cultivated in Europe for over 2,000 years. I'm not giving you any recipe for this today. I just want to show you the technique for peeling it. I'll be using this in one of my dishes coming up, and I will leave you a recipe then when I'm cooking with it. But for now, I just wanted to clean it off, and then it's all ready for me to use. You want to peel this with long, rapid strokes because this oxidizes. Oxidize means that it discolors, very similar to an apple. There we go. So you can see how it cleans up quite nicely. Just going to move this off of my board a little bit here. There we go. And I'm going to cut this into small pieces, but I first want to show you I've got a dish here with just some cold water, and I'm going to add in some everyday table vinegar, about a tablespoon, and that will stop it from oxidizing. It's quite a sticky vegetable to work with. See, my fingers are up when I'm using my knife. And I just want to cut these into a little bit more uniform pieces here. It has a beautiful flavor. A lot of people cook it with butter and things like that, but I'm probably going to use this in my oatmeal in the morning. And look forward to showing you what I do with it then. You can braise this, you can boil it, you can cook it in all kinds of ways. It's full of potassium, vitamins B and C, folic acid, magnesium, more. Probably even has some protein in there for all of you wondering where I get my protein. So that's a Salsify, and I just wanted to show you while I was prepping mine today. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.